Do you want to win $100? Welcome back to Free to Be, guys. And this week, unfortunately, we don't have anything to give away. I was trying to give away $50 to one of my loyal subscribers, and unfortunately, we didn't hit the thresholds needed to activate that giveaway, so there is no winner. But fear not, because we are doubling down, and I don't want you to think that I'm doubling down every time there's a giveaway and we don't hit the thresholds, but I am doubling down this time because I do want to give back to you guys. I'm really happy with the results that I've gotten on YouTube. I'm really happy that I have some loyal subscribers. So I want to give away a $100 Amazon gift card, and I want to give it out to one of you in Q3 of 2019. So here we go. Let's get started. Alright, now, as always, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn those notifications on, because we cover everything in the financial literacy world, plus some of my creative energy right here on this channel. You're not going to want to miss it. Okay, so this time I think we're going to make it a little bit easier. I think last time I got a little aggressive with the goals, with thresholds that needed to be hit in order to activate the giveaway. We're going to make it really simple, okay? We just need this channel to hit 500 subscribers. We need this video to hit 1,000 views, and this video needs to have 100 likes, and that's it. If those criteria are met, the giveaway is active, and one of you could win a $100 Amazon gift card. And so all you have to do is, between now and 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on September 30th, 2019, all you have to do to be entered in the drawing to win the $100 giveaway once it becomes active is to email me at freetobyt@gmail.com and just have in the subject line Q3 2019, and that's it. You're entered. So as long as this video is active, we get the 500 subscribers on the channel, we have 1,000 views on this video and 100 likes on this video, you're in. Basically, you have a chance to win a $100 gift card. It'll be a random drawing based on your emails, and then I will just go ahead and email an e-gift card to the winner. Let's make it happen. And that's it, guys. I really just want to give away $100 to one of you, one of my loyal subscribers, someone who's watched my content from the beginning. And all you have to do is make sure that the contest is activated. We need to hit the criteria. So all you need to do for me is go ahead and share this video with your friends, with your family. Make sure everyone's on board. Let's get this video to 1,000 views. Let's get this video 100 likes. Let's get 500 subscribers on the channel. And that's it. Make sure to email me and you will be entered into the contest, and I will send you a $100 gift card. No jokes, no strings attached. It will happen. We just need to hit these thresholds by the end of September 2019. Okay, so I know I'm doing this giveaway, but I just wanted to again thank everybody who's been following me. The focus of this channel will remain financial literacy, so if you guys want to see content based on that, make sure you tune in every Sunday, and then go ahead and turn on those notifications, because I will continue to expand this channel. It'll be some of my creative energy, and it'll also just be some insight into my life and how I'm doing. I'll bring you more content on a weekly basis, randomly throughout the month, maybe a few times every month, and then roll it into something more. But the focus will always remain financial literacy, how to become financially independent. Thank you guys for joining me, and we'll see you next time.